Now I am about to teach you phylum Annelida unit number 4. So first of all we will discuss about introduction. Name Annelida was given by Lamarck in 1809. In 1809 Lamarck is a scientist who given the name Annelida. Meaning of Annelida is little ring or series of rings. Little rings or series of rings means Annelida which is present over the surface of Annelida. So it is called as annelids. The phylum contains over 8,600 known species. In phylum Annelida contains over 8,600 known species. They are the first animals to have closed circulatory system. Annelida is the first animals to have closed circulatory systems, which is also present in human beings. General characteristics of Annelida: mostly aquatic, means they present in marine as well as freshwater. Marines means seawater. Some are terrestrial, means which are present on land and where they live, which lives in burrows or tubes. Some are common cell and parasitic also. Body elongated. The body of annelids becomes elongated, that is cylinder like, means cylindrical. Vermiform means worm like, and bilaterally symmetrical means if we cut that annelids in one plane, then they form two parts of that organisms, so that is called as bilaterally symmetrical. Body is metamerically segmented. What is meant by metamerically? Metamerically means homologous segment, means same segment. Segments also called as metamers are arranged one after the others in a single linear series. Metamers are arranged one after the other, means they present from starting to end region. They are triploblastic animals. Embryonic layer contains three layers: meso, indo, meta. So it is triploblastic animals. The outermost covering of the body is called cuticle. Outer layer of annelids is called as cuticle, secreted by underlying epidermal cells. Body wall is highly contractile. Body wall of annelids is highly contractile because here present circular or longitudinal muscles. Locomotory organs, seta or cheetah, are present in most of the annelids. Locomotory organs help for locomotion, and which locomotory organs present in annelids? Seta or cheetah. Seta means hair-like projections are present in most of the annelids. All annelids are the true coelomate animals. True coelomates means which contain cavity. So all annelids in which what present cavity is present, so it is called true coelomate animals. Respiration by occurs through body surface, means they respire through body. So respiration by occurs through body surface, in some cases by gill also. Blood vascular system is closed type. Blood is red due to presence of hemoglobins. The hemoglobin color of hemoglobin is red, so blood is red due to presence of hemoglobin. Excretory organs are nephridia, which are present in each segment. Excretory organs are nephridia. What is meant by nephridia? Nephridia means a tubule open to the exterior, help for excretion. And in invertebrate organisms, nephridia is present because it is help for excretion. And arrangement of nephridia is tube-like. Nervous system with pair of cerebral ganglia. Nervous system is well developed in annelida, and here is present of ganglia. Ganglia means structure containing nerve cells, and double ventral nerve cord bearing ganglia in every segment. Sexes may be separate, monoecious or united. Sexes may be separate and also united. United means hermaphrodite or dioecious. Development direct in monoecious forms but indirect in hermaphrodite forms. Development is direct in monoecious, means which contains sexes separate. in which development direct and which annelids contain which contains dioecious means six may be united, their development becomes indirect. Presence of free swimming trophophore larvae is characteristics in indirect development. In indirect development, they form trophophore larva, then forms annelids. Phylum Annelida has following four classes. Annelids divided into four classes. First is Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hirudinea, Archiannelida. And on which basis the Annelida divided four classes? Annelida divided that four classes on the basis of their locomotory organs and some morphological characteristics. First, Polychaeta. Polychaeta means poly means large and chaeta means hair or seta. So in Polychaeta, which contain large hair according to its name. Then Oligochaeta. Oligo means few and chaeta means hair. Here contain few hair, so name is Oligochaeta. Then Hirudinea. Hirudinea is the third class of Annelida. Then Archiannelida. Archi means old. Annelida. This is the fourth class of Annelida. So next lecture we will discuss that four classes.